What do you do now?
I am currently working.
In which city do you work?
I work in London.
When do you go to the office in the morning?
I go at 10 a.m.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Are you married?
Is single.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
Don't you like a boyfriend?
No, I don't like it.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I have a sister.
What do your parents do?
My mother is a housewife and my father is an officer.
When do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 10 p.m.
What day are you free?
I am free on Sundays.